Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation. So I hope you are fine and things are going on well in your life and your exam preparations are going on fine. You're waiting for your exams when it will be conducted. So here we are. I'm going to give you the latest information about the exams that is going on right now, the notifications of which are out. So the first I'm going to discuss about is Wsso Haryana Recruitment 2021. Now apply online for 27 block resource coordinator posts which is available online. Online applications are invited for direct recruitment for contractual post, that is block resource coordinators, which is in short form BRCs, from 22nd June 2021 to 16th July 2021 till 12 o'clock. Initially, it was for 1 year, further, it was renewed based on performance. Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana Recruitment 2021. Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana invited applications from eligible person for recruitment of 27 posts of block resource coordinator. Interested and eligible people can apply for the very same post online by visiting the official website Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana. Persons must know that the last date for this application is 16th July 2021. Online applications are invited for direct recruitment for contractual post, that is Block Resource Coordinator BRCs, from 22nd June 2021 to 16th July 2021 till 12 o'clock. Initially, as I said, it was for 1 year, but later on it was renewed based on performance. Thereafter, website link will be disabled and you will not be able to apply. Now, let me give you the important dates. Date of notification was 22nd June 2021. Starting date for submission of online application was 22nd June 2021. Last date for the submission of online application was 16th July 2021. Last date for the deposit of fees for 2021 is 21st July 2021. Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana Block Resource Coordinator details will be provided here, which I am going to discuss right now. Block Resource Coordinator, there will be only 27 posts. Now, educational qualification required is, firstly, candidates should have a graduate in mass communication or social sciences or rural studies or equivalent from a recognized board or university or any kind of institution. Secondly, Hindi and Sanskrit as one of the subjects in matriculation or higher studies. Thirdly, for more education qualification details, please go to the official notification that is released. Now, talking about the age limit, minimum 21 years and maximum 60 years are applicable here. Salary, rupees 15,000 per month. This is the salary that is determined. Now, coming to the question how to apply. Interested and eligible persons can apply for the post online by visiting the official website Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana. Persons must note that the last date for application is 16th July 2021. Candidates who do not fulfill the qualifications or the eligibility conditions on cutoff date, their application shall not be uploaded by the online application system. So please be very careful about that. All the certificates or documents relating to the educational qualification or eligibility conditions will be determined with regard to the last date fixed to online applications, also called as chosen as closing date as given in the information or the advertisement. Now, details of the fees. The name of the post is BRCs. For general, it will be 500. For SC, BCA, BCB, it will be 250 rupees. Fees once deposited cannot against the application is neither transferable nor refundable nor adjustable. The fees should be deposited through only e-challan in any branch of State Bank of India. Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana will not be responsible for unsuccessful payment or transaction status failure, transaction status pending. Now coming to the criteria for selection, examination and its syllabus. The scheme of marks in respect to selection to the post shall comprise of total 100 marks, as I am going to give you the details below. Written examination will be 100 marks. There will be one objective type test of 2 hours duration for each category of posts, consisting of 100 objective type questions with multiple choice answers as the details that I am going to discuss right now. First, water conservation, that will be based on general awareness for 20 marks. Secondly, basic computer knowledge comprising 20 marks. Thirdly, social science also having 20 marks. Next, general English having 20 marks. General Hindi comprising of 20 marks. So the total marks allocated is 100 marks. The question booklet will carry questions in both languages, that is English as well as Hindi. There will be negative marking also, that is 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. Selection will be based on merit list completely. If candidate obtained equal marks, then criteria for selection will be followed as I am going to discuss. Firstly, the older in age will be preferred. Examination schedule, let's talk about that. The OMR based examination is likely to be held in the month of September 2021 or October 2021. The date, time and place of examination will be as per the admit card. However, Water and Sanitation Support Organization WSSO Haryana reserves the right to reschedule or change the above schedule on administrative grounds or otherwise as per their requirement. Applicants are advised to regularly visit the website as no separate individual intimation shall be sent. Now please take note of the things that I am going to discuss. Firstly, qualifications and other terms and conditions of eligibility will be determined with regard to the last date fixed for receipt of online application, also termed as closing date. Secondly, no individual information at any stage shall be sent, and hence all candidates should regularly visit the website. Thirdly, claim of reservation, etc., if any, shall be admissible to those candidates only who upload the requisite valid original certificate along with their application in support of their claim and of Haryana domicile. Fourthly, the benefit of reservation will be given only to SC or BCA or BCB candidates who are domicile of Haryana state. Fifthly, the SC or BCA or BCB candidates are required to submit the SC or BCA or BCB certificate duly issued by the competent authority when called upon to do so by Water and Sanitation Support Organization. Sixth, the reserved category candidates belonging to other states will compete against the post meant for the general category, and will be considered as general category candidates as there is no reservation available for them in the state. Seventhly, if, on verification at any stage, it is found that any candidate does not fulfill any of the eligibility condition, or it is found that the information furnished is false or incorrect, his or her candidature will be cancelled and he or she will also be liable to criminally be prosecuted. This is irrespective of whether the candidate was benefited in his or her application from that particular eligibility condition or not. Eighth, candidates having degrees or diploma or certificates from board or institution or university which are not recognized by Haryana government will not be eligible for this post. Ninth, in case of any guidance or information or clarification regarding the online filling of the application form and advertisement, the candidate applying for this post can send email at wssohry20@gmail.com. 10th, documents to be uploaded with application form is mandatory. Things that I'm going to say is compulsory. First, scanned photo of the candidate, JPG format not exceeding 100 KB. Second, scanned signatures of the candidate, JPG format not exceeding 100 KB. Action against candidates found guilty for misconduct. Firstly, candidates are warned that they should not furnish any particulars that are false, tampered, or fabricated, or should not suppress any material information while filling up the application form. Secondly, at the time of written examination or scrutiny, if a candidate is or has been found guilty of using unfair means during the examination or impersonating or procuring impersonation by any person or misbehaving in the examination hall or in the examination center or taking away the answer sheet from the examination hall or resorting to any irregular of or improper means in connection with his or her candidature for selection or passing the examination or obtaining support for his or her candidature by any unfair means, not complying with the instruction issued from time to time. Such a candidate may, in addition to rendering himself or herself liable to criminal prosecution, be liable to be disqualified from the examination or scrutiny for which he or she is a candidate. Now, note here, Water and Sanitation Support Organization reserves the right to supervise the complete recruitment process from online application to the selection by way of using biometric process and CCTV cameras or videography, etc. Likely cause of rejection of application. Firstly, application is incomplete and or not online. Secondly, full fee if not deposited in the manner that is prescribed by them. Thirdly, applicant does not possess the requisite academic qualification on cutoff date. Fourthly, variation in data of online application form and in original documents if detected at any stage. Fifthly, lack of essential qualification as prescribed in the advertisement for this particular post. Use of mobile phone and other electronic devices in the examination hall is strictly prohibited. If you are doing so, you will be strictly punished. So this is all about the examination details of WSSO Haryana. So if you think you are an eligible candidate, definitely go for yourself. Time is very less. Hurry up, go register yourself and stay prepared for the examination. All the best for your career ahead. Wishing you luck. Stay home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.